Hello viewers, my name is Joseph from Joe's Page, and you are warmly welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is how to access your YouTube video link and other YouTube video links on your mobile phone. If you have not subscribed to this channel or liked this video, kindly do so for more computer related videos. Now let's begin with today's lesson. Requirements to note: you need to have a mobile phone, a YouTube application, and if possible a channel and a word or text application, example WPS Office, notebook, diary, and much more. Benefits of knowing your YouTube video link: the first benefit is it helps you to share interesting videos with loved ones, and also it helps you to promote your YouTube channel. I have divided this lesson into two parts, and the first part is accessing the YouTube video link, and the other part is accessing other YouTube video link. Now the practical aspect of accessing your YouTube video link is as follows. You pick up your mobile phone and you open the YouTube app. So we open the YouTube application and we move to our channel. On our top right corner we tap on our channel icon and we move to your channel, we tap on that. Here we select any of our video by tapping it once. I select the first one, so I tap on that. And we select share below the video, so we select share. In the pop-up option, select copy link. That's the first option and we tap on that. So the link is copied. Move to your word or text application and paste it. So we move to our notebook and paste that in there. So we tap on that and we create a new page. We long press on our screen and we tap on the paste option. So this is our YouTube video link. The next one is the practical aspect of accessing other YouTube video link. The first step is you open the YouTube application. So we open the YouTube application here and we search the video we want to access the link. We type in the video you want to access the link, and I want to access the link of the first video, so I tap on that and I select share below the video. I tap on the share. In the pop-up list I select copy link, that's the first option, so I select that and the link is copied. So I move to my notebook here and create a new page. I long press on the screen and paste the link. So this is how to access other YouTube video link. This is the end of today's lesson, and if you want more of computer tips and secrets and also tips and secrets of smartphones, kindly subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.